You have digestive or gut issues. If you do, then you might also experience compromised immune system, toxicity in your body. You may feel unable to synthesize the nutrition that's coming from your food, inflammation in your body, as well as foggy brain. And I can tell you from experience that when there's issues in the gut, everything is affected. Your energy, your vitality, the clarity of your mind. So I'm going to tell you one of the solutions that I have found, and generally I do not like supplements because of the low quality, but this company, Sarvaa Organics, is one of the best that I've ever found, and they are high in integrity and high quality with everything they do. They're real alchemists of their trade. So one of the things that I do is I like to put some in my coffee. Now, I'm sure some of you have experienced when something is going on with your digestion that you just feel sporadic and you feel like your body is disintegrated, right? And I gotta tell you, when I've used this, especially in those moments, it's felt like everything is coming back together and integrated, and my strength and my focus and my energy are all coming from a very strong foundation. So I highly recommend it. Go onto the website and give it a try. Enjoy.